Hypothesis tests are a central part of statistics. A hypothesis test compares the assumed value for a population parameter, such as a mean, proportion, or standard deviation, to observed values from samples. The null hypothesis, often denoted H sub 0, is the initial claim about the value of a parameter. It is assumed to be true. The decision of hypothesis tests is to either reject or fail to reject the null hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis, denoted H sub A, is the opposite of what is stated in the null hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis contains all possible values of the parameter not included in the null hypothesis. A very important thing to note is that the null hypothesis will always contain some form of equality. The alternative hypothesis contains the opposite inequality. This table summarizes the types of hypotheses used for each kind of test. For a left-tailed test, the null hypothesis contains the greater than or equal to symbol, and the alternative hypothesis contains the less than symbol. For a right-tailed test, the null hypothesis contains the less than or equal to symbol, and the alternative hypothesis contains the greater than symbol. For a two-tailed test, the null hypothesis contains the equal to symbol, and the alternative hypothesis contains the not equal to symbol.